Okay, guys. So now, just a minute. Okay, guys. So let's try to see this. All of you. Today we'll start with reading CSV file, reading CSV files more efficiently using Databricks. Okay. Everyone. Now, guys, this is an important topic where we are going to see some three cases at a stretch. Case one, all of you. The case one, I'm using it, guys. These are all the combinations we are going to see. Reading single, guys. Anyways, we have seen the single now, so I'm writing it again, no problem. Reading single, reading data from, guys, reading data from, all of you, reading data from, guys, single CSV file. Okay, this is the first case. And in the second case, guys, reading reading data from multiple CSV files. Yeah, guys, and case 3. All of you, reading CSV files using user defined schema. All of you, okay, user defined schema. Let us see it here. So, guys, some of the options we are going to see, the various options we are going to study here. Those options are options to the case. Now, guys, everyone, first one is comma, all of you, comma. Next one, header, or we can also say the first one is delimiter. Okay, delimiter. Next one is SCP. What do you mean SCP, guys? Can you tell me what do you mean by SCP? It is separator, guys.
Separator.
Yes, separator. and infer schema. Infer schema. Okay. Now, guys, we will see all these cases. Okay. These all cases we'll see it one by one. So now today we'll start with the first reading data from what is that CSV, single CSV file. Now tell me, guys, before we move ahead, tell me what is delimiter?
Like comma or pipe or
Yes.
anything that separates one column value the next column value.
Very good. So now the delimiter is nothing but delimiter is that which delimits one entity with the another entity. That is one column with the another column. Suppose I am having name and ID. So can you see here what is the delimiter used in this? Space. In the same way, we can use a comma. Okay. We can also use a pipe delimiter. We can also use a tab delimiter, guys. This is a tab. Can you see here? Tab delimiter. The various delimiters we can use it. So let us see here. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it. So now let us start with the first case. Okay. So for that, let us initialize the service here. Use what is it? Portal. All of you okay now? portal.su.com.
So please share your screen, sir.
Okay. Everyone is able to see this now?
Yes.
That's it. So guys, open this. So now this process you know already. So start the workspace. And now guys, before at the time of defining the workspace, you can also define everyone. At the time of defining the workspace, you can also create a new resource group. So I'm creating the resource group here itself. ADB reading CSV files RG. Click OK. That's it. And now give the workspace. So I want to use the workspace name as DurgaSoft workspace. That's it. Now guys, click on the review and create to start your that is Databricks workspace. Click on create. Now guys, is everyone clear with the case study what we are going to see now today? Yes guys, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I want a reply from every one of you guys. So we are reading the data from multiple files, multiple CSVs, single CSV, and as well as, okay, we will define our own schemas. What do you mean schema, guys?
Structure of the file.
Exactly, that is nothing but the structure of the file. Okay, the structure, and we by default the system is give that is nothing but whenever we read it, we use the infer schema option. Whenever we use the infer schema option, what happens? Tell me now.
It will consider all the columns to be string data type.
So by default, as per the file only, it will take the that is nothing but the structure of the that is nothing but whether it is a character, numeric, etc. But now today what we will do is we will define our own schemas also. Okay. So now for that, let us just wait here. Refresh it to make the process faster. That's it. I'm refreshing it. Yes, what is the option we choose in ADF if you want to read multiple files, guys? Multiple CSV files are there like this. What is the option we choose in ADF? In the second case, many of you are doing ADF also, no?
What is it?
Wildcard file path.
Wildcard, yeah. Wildcard.
Yes, we use the option called what? Wildcard file path. So now today we'll see here how to read it multiple files in ADB. Now it's ready, the workspace, and now the workspace is ready. Launch the workspace, everyone. Now guys, once it is done, now what is the next process we have to do? Create the cluster. That is, click on the compute. Click on the compute. And now guys, create compute. And now, can you see here? Access mode is single user, shared Python SQL. Okay. No isolated shares, all languages. Okay. Anyways, now we'll just edit the name here. Durga Soft Cluster. This is the name I want to give it. Anyways, guys, I'm using the create. If at all you wanted to reduce the cost, guys, select the cluster mode as a single node. Okay, because some of the option doesn't work in single node, I'm using the standard always. Click on the create. Now it's creating the cluster. Yeah, meanwhile, I'll just give you this point. So guys, the infer schema detects the data type, detects the data types of all columns by scanning the entire data set. Okay, that's it. Let's see here. Now the cluster is ready, guys. So now let's start with the notebook. Okay. So before this, I would like to add some more points to this. This is the infer schema option. We have it. Okay. And second option in this, we can say, okay, I'm just writing like a point here. Okay. If data set is very large, data set is very large, then what happens then? Scanning of the columns takes more time. This leads performance issues. Okay, performance issue. So infer schema is recommended for infer schema is recommended for what is that? Small data sets. If you have very large data now, at that time it is not recommended to use the infer schema option because we are seeing a small data, not a very massive data. Whenever you have very massive data, guys, okay, massive data, whenever you have very massive data, at that time infer schema option is not advised. In that case, what we do is, everyone, for large data sets, it is recommended to infer schema by creating or infer schema manually by creating what is that? User defined schema. Yes, yes, everyone. This point is clear, ma? Tell me this point is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, so in what case we use the user defined schema? That is the point actually. So for very large, massive data, we don't use the infer schema option, auto infer schema option. We use infer schema option manually by creating a user defined schema to reduce the processing time. That's it. Now, guys, I'm creating the notebook. Click on create a notebook. Reading, guys, reading CSV file. Reading CSV file, hence use it create. The notebook will be ready here. Now guys, now just go here, click on data, and now can see here, you have what is that? You have that things, you have it, create table, select the dbfs. Can you see here, do you have any kind of data available now? No, available data is not available. So can you see here, we don't have any tables available, files are not available here, so upload it. So for that, you can see here, now guys, let us do one thing. Now just go to dbfs, file, stores and tables. Now guys, what I wanted to do is, we wanted to create some subdirectories. Okay, so how to create a subdirectory here? First of all, can you see here, all of you, how to create the subdirectories, guys? Any idea? Yes guys, how to create a subdirectory, subfolders, how to create it? db
You can
utils,
mention it here in the path we give.
That is under db utils dot fs dot, can you see here, file system. Okay, dot, can you see here, mkdir. Yes, that means make directories. Mkdir means what? Make directories. So where you want to make a directory? For that, go to data. Go to data, and then you have to create table. Everyone go to the dbfs, file store, tables. I wanted to make it here a subdirectory. So now tell me, where is my subdirectory? I want to create my subdirectory here. So select it here. All of you copy this. Now I want to create a subdirectory here. So for that, go recent, use it here. Under the double quotation marks or a single quotation marks is enough, I think. Now this is fine. Now guys, slash, give it a name here, name of your subdirectory. Okay, subdirectory name is, let's make it as a daily customers. This is the one subdirectory I want to create it. Okay, daily customers. Okay, daily customers. So now shift enter. True. Now go and check now data. Guys, create table, dbfs, click on file store, click on tables. There is a folder created or not? Tell me guys.
Yes.
You need to upload the files onto this folder. That is nothing but daily customers. How to select it? Just put the control here. You need to upload the files to here. Upload files, go to the upload files. Now we need to upload the files to this particular daily customer. So upload files. Use it what? Daily customers. That's it guys. Daily customer or customers. Just check here once. Customers, daily customers. Or else you can do one thing now. Copy from here. Only this one. And now go to the upload files, everyone. And now put it here. That's it, guys. Now drag. There is a drop the files, whichever the files you wanted. Just click on this, upload it. Now I want to use the airlines, customers, and now can you see here? I wanted to take customer east, or else let's do one thing now. all of you? Okay. Or else we have to deal with the multiple this thing. What I will do is, okay guys, I'll take this employees underscore east, employees underscore north, and employees underscore south. These three files will take it. Okay, open this everyone. Okay, now fine everyone, no problem. That's it guys, we have uploaded the data now. Now let us see here the first case. What is the first case? How to read the data from a single file. Okay, single file, we'll just read it how. Now guys, go to this. Now guys, let's do one thing now. Just go to this files now. Can you see here we have the, see here, tables, daily customers. Now here you have it under the employees underscore east. Copy this. Can you see it? I'm copying this path here. Copy this path. That means I want to read the data from this particular file. So just paste it here because I want to use it here. Path is equal to, paste it here. That's it. Okay. Just for reference purpose, I'm just giving it here, nothing else. Okay, everyone, path is here. So guys, this is the thing we have it. And now what is the delimiter used here? Comma as a delimiter used. Default delimiter is what? Comma here. Okay guys, that's it. Now first we'll read the single file here. Go to the recents, read it. Yeah, everyone. Reading single CSV file. Tell me now. XRC underscore path. Okay, is equal to, this is the source path now everyone. This is the source path, single file. Everyone, single file, this is how I'm loading it. What is the root directory of this path? Yes. Tell me now, what is the root directory of this path? Yes, guys?
File store tables.
No, the root directory. The root directory is always a DBFS. Okay, first of all, we'll execute without DBFS now. See here. This will also work, I think so. If you want, you can also say DBFS here. And DBFS colon.
Okay. Double slash, right? After colon, we will need double slash also.
No, the single slash is enough. Okay, that's it. Now run this. Yeah, this is also working. Anyways. Okay, guys, so this is the thing we have it. We are storing this in, that is the entire path I'm storing it, the source path. Okay, default root directory is the DBFS anyways. You can have it or you can just leave it, no problem. It makes no difference. Okay, guys, that's it. Now, guys, after that, what is that you have to do? DF is equal to, tell me now. DF is equal to spark dot, yes, guys, everyone. Read dot, read dot, what is that I have introduced? Format dot format, and now CSV, use the indent. That is nothing but the next line. This particular thing says what? Go to next line. Okay. Now tell me, what is it you have it? Tell me now, guys, everyone. Tell me, ma. Options. Options.
Header.
That is dot options. Use what's it? Header. Header, comma, true. That's it. Options dot Here you
Input.
have it. Okay, then you can use it. What's a delimiter? Okay, comma. After that, use it here, comma. After this, use what's it? Indentation. And here also you have an indent. That's it, guys. Everyone. This says go to next line. Then use dot options. Guys, tell me now. In for schema. In for schema, give it in the double quotes, anyways. Comma. Okay. True. Again, the indentation slash dot what's it? Options. Sorry. src underscore path. Sorry, not dot options. You have to use what? Dot. You guys tell me now. Load. Dot load. Use what's that? Dot load. So, anyways, I'll put it in the double quotes. This one also. Yes, everyone is fine with this?
Yes.
I'll take it here. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, guys, so let's run this. Touch it. There is some error. What is error? Tell me. GF dot. That is basically nothing but some indent error, nothing else. So don't worry. I'll do one thing now. Just a minute. Write in a single line, that's better, na? Then we'll divide it. So what I'll do is write dot. Okay. Just a minute. I'll write it here. That's better now.
Can you expand the type error? You can see. Can you expand the type error? Which line has okay CSB in the place of CSB?
That's it. Indentation error. So if such
No,
kind of
this is argument error, positional argument error.
yes.
Means that will take 3 argument, but we have passed 1. Like that. Is it dot CSV or any other thing you can put?
No, it is
CSV, not the dot CSV. Where?
The line number 3 itself.
Sir, for now, can we just use the format and load only?
Format means we have to use the format, na? Okay.
This is right only, I guess. We will use only format CSV dot load.
Okay. Spark dot read dot I'll use CSV.
Format
Simple CSV.
No,
I'll see
CSV
this.
is fine, but we'll also see why this is not working.
Nothing else. This is basically okay. I'll do one thing. I'll write in a single line, then I'll use it. Df is equal to spark dot. See, the same thing I'm writing it here. Read dot CSV. Okay. Spark dot read dot CSV. I'm using it. Then afterwards, I'm using it src underscore path comma header is equal to true. Then comma infer schema is equal to true comma separator is equal to comma. That's it. Okay. This is the thing we have it. Now I'll run this. See what happens. It functions. It works definitely. No error. Can you see here?
Yes, Samir.
That is only some, this slash and all this, and sometimes we use it. It will a type of this thing. It happens. Okay. This is the one syntax. What we do it. Okay. This is the first syntax. Generally we use it. Okay. And this is the there is the above one is the first syntax. And now what we will do is we will write another way also. Same. Okay, now what I'll do is now better now I'll copy this and I will try to write it in a single line. That's better. That will work. I think so. Format CSV dot options okay. That's it, guys. I'll try to run this now. This is work. This will work now. See, it is not working still. Options now, guys. It is option. Sorry. Not options. It is option. See, I'll make changes in here. Now it's working. I'll try to make the changes here also. Options we have used now. It's the reason. Sorry. Now let us run this once. That was the. Now see same syntax.
No, you have changed. You have changed that spark dot read dot format. You have to write. Yeah. Format then system.
Okay, now I'll run this. Fine, this is also working now. No issues, yes, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, we can write in this way or this way. These are all the various syntax we can use it. Okay. Okay, guys. So now the things are fine now. Now, next after this, tell me now. The further, what we have to do? Let us use some other one. That is count. Let's count it now. Count the rows. Count the number of sorry, records. Count the number of records, everyone, in the data frame. In data frame. So how to use the count? Use what? df dot count. See here, df dot count. It is giving us what? 6. How many rows are there? 6 rows. Am I right, guys?
6 rows. Yeah.
Yes.
This is a small data set, very small data set. Hence, you can see here, I'm using it here, the infer schema option. Now, you want to print the schema. Print the schema. Print the schema. Print the schema of the df. Df dot is df dot print schema. Use option called df dot print schema. See, this is a schema. Okay, this is a schema. Now for higher date, you can see here you have the date. Okay, date. It's accepting. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, that's it. Now, guys, can you see here? I'm using the it's date now. So I'll try to make date and time, something like that. I want to change the data type. I want to change the schema here for higher date or for some other, even salary. Instead of integer, let us make it some decimal, something like that. Okay, so now for that, what I will do is I'll try to create our own schema. So for that, I'm using what's it? Create guys, user defined schema. Create user defined schema. So how to do it? So we have to import some libraries for this. Okay, import some libraries now. So how to import the libraries? So for that, from PySpark, use what's it? From PySpark, you want to import some library. Dot SQL dot type dot
Types.
or
Types.
come again, ma?
SQL dot types.
SQL dot types. Okay, type. I think so, not types. Okay, type and use import. If it is not working, we'll make it to types. No issues. Okay, import struct type. stru. You can see here. CT. Type T capital. Okay. Now guys, struct type comma struct field. All of you. Struct field. That means what are the fields you want to define it? Comma. Data types you want to define integer. Integer type, comma,
Double type.
string type, comma, date type, comma, long type, decimal type, okay, and then we have a, tell me, ma.
You said you will make it timestamp also. Timestamp type.
Timestamp type. Okay, guys, so yes capital, timestamp, yes capital. See, if any error comes, it will display here itself. That's it. It is I think it's types only, ma. Okay. So that means from PySpark.sql.types, you want to import all these fields. What is that? Struct type, struct field, integer type, and string type, date type. Okay. Then decimal type, long type, decimal type, timestamp. Now is a syntax check. What is it problem, guys?
Timestamp, yes, should be small, lower.
Timestamp. Yes. See, let's run this now. Fine now, everyone.
Yes, Samir.
Yeah. Struct type is basically an option which defines a data type. Struct type. That is nothing but struct type. Okay, what type of structure you want to define, and how many fields are participating. The struct field will define it. Okay, these are the two things we have it. Struct type defines what data type you want to define. For which field? Struct field means what? For which field? Okay. Struct type means what? What data type you want to define it. And struct field means what? That is nothing but for which field. So these are the fields for which you want to define it. Okay. That's it now. Now, guys, I want to define a schema. Schema is equal to struct. Can you see it? Struct type. Can you see here? You use it. Struct type in the array. Array means what? Sorry, array means what? List of fields. Okay. Struct type. Can you see? Struct type. Use what's that? Struct field. Can you see it? Struct field. Use this. Under this, write it down. Struct field. Comma. Tell me now. Struct field. Second field. Comma. Third field. Comma. Fourth field. How many fields you have defined as of now?
4.
5. 6. Comma. Now how many fields? Check and tell me, ma.
We need one more.
One more now. That's it. Now fine. That's it. So guys,
We can bring the struct field.
yes, ma.
We'll bring struct fields in new lines.
Yes, yes. Okay. So okay, guys. So let's do one thing now. Struct field. So what is it? Struct field you wanted to get it now? Okay. Actually, this is the best practice. We have to fill like this. Under the quotes, use it here. Okay. Single quotes is enough. EMPNO. What is the data type you want to give it? Tell me now. Tell me. Integer. INTEGER. Just a minute.
Integer
Not
type.
like this. Integer type. INTEGERTYP. Integer type. Okay. Now fine, ma.
And brackets.
That's it.
We'll have one more argument there.
Okay. You want me to allow the nullables now? Yes, nullable.
Yes,
So
yeah, yes.
use, make it as what? Integer, then afterwards use false. Okay,
F in caps.
that's it. Okay, fine now.
F in caps.
F in caps. Okay, no problem. F in caps. Okay, that's it. Now next one. Next we'll define here struct field. What's the column name? Can you tell me?
First underscore name.
First underscore name. What's the data type? Comma.
String type.
String type. String type. TYP. Okay, guys. String type. String type is what is it? Tell me now. Sorry. String type. Okay, fine now. Then afterwards use a comma. Now I want to give it as what? True here. True for what? Nullables. Okay. Okay. Allow. Next. What's the next column? Tell me now. Amma.
Last name.
Last underscore name. Last underscore name. Comma. Use what is it? So I've given a string type, first name, string type, comma 2. Okay, fine. And then last name, then use it as what? String type, na? Same copy here. String type, fine. Copy this. Same here. String type, fine. Next, comma 2. That's it. What is the next field, ma? Tell me. City, na?
City.
Next field is city.
String type.
String type. Then use what is that? Comma true. Close it, press comma. Fine, huh? Is it okay? Comma city.
No, sir. After city, there is a closing bracket, with that should be removed.
Yes, here you have to use a closing bracket, no?
No, that should be removed.
Yeah. Fine now. Now, what's the next struct field you have it? Tell me.
Email.
Very good. So use email. Email. Tell me next. Comma. What's the data type?
String type.
String. STRING. String type kada. String type. Okay. String type. Okay, ma. So use it here. Comma true. Nullable is true. What is the next field you have it? Come on. I did. What's the data type for it? Comma date type. Okay. Use it here. Comma nullable true. What is the next type you have it? Phone. Hmm.
It's long type.
Hmm. Phone. Ah. So long means what? Big int. Okay. Long means what? Big int here. Long type. Long type. Okay.
L in caps.
Amma.
L in caps.
Okay. Long type. Let us give it is L in caps. Okay. Sure. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Long type. Okay. Then use this one. And now nullables is what?
True.
That's it. Next we have it. Last one. What's the last one? Salary. Integer is there, no? I want a decimal type. So I'm
Flow.
using comma decimal type. Then comma true. Fine. Okay. So this is the thing we have it. That's it. So better run this now. Got it, guys. See here. Schema is created.
Yes.
So this is how it is created, guys. Fine, everyone. Okay, so can you see now I'm using it, guys? Everyone, I'm using it. Def is equal to spark. You see it now I'm writing it. Spark dot read dot format. Everyone, format is what is it you want? CSV. Sorry, CSV. Everyone. Then use what? This one. Tab next one. What is it you have to do? Options. Guys, everyone. What I'll do is this things is already available here in the above one. Now I will copy that instead of typing everything. Okay. Copy this. Everyone, tell me now. Header is equal to delimiter is comma. Okay. Now what is the? Can you see a schema? Schema infer schema is not required now. So let's do one thing. Remove this infer schema. Remove this schema. Okay, guys. Why I'm using the schema? Because we have defined here the schema. This is a variable name. Okay.
No, I think you have to say equal to schema. Is it not?
No. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So actually, what you have to use it instead of options, use a schema. That's it. Schema is a schema of schema, or else I'll do one thing to avoid some confusion. I will make it here S1. Okay, ma. Now here also we will use S1. Normal S, not capital S. Okay, that's it now. Now run this. Fine, guys. Now you check it. Print schema now. Print a schema of the data frame. That's it, guys. Finally, df dot print. Print, what is it? Tell me. Schema. That's it now. Run this, guys. Finally, run this. See. Now, what is the data type you have it? Can see here? Salary is decimal. Before it was what? Check here. Before the salary was integer, na? Yes, ma? Everyone?
Yes.
Now it has changed to decimal. Okay, guys.
But employee number, it shows as nullable true. We have to check why.
We have given nullable true. I think that will be by default true only. Okay. So I think nullable, it's by default taking as a true only.
No, sir, actually.
Hmm.
Probably, if we do not have a value for that in the source file, I think it will not allow us to.
Yeah,
probably.
I think so. Okay, now that's it, guys. Now, finally, I'll write it here. Display data from data frame. That's it, guys. So display, use the display function of df. That's it. Finally, see here. Finally, see, guys. That's it, everyone.
Hire date has not come, probably due to the format, I guess. Hire date is null.
Yes, null.
But
because of date
source,
format. Because of date format.
Date format, it I mean should be.
Because of the date format. Actually, it is in the string format in the CSV now. And here it is taking the date. That's the reason it getting as null. Now let us change it here some way. I wanted proper date format. So for that, what we have to do, some transformation is required here. Okay. In order to avoid the nulls. Okay. And yes, we have to design some transformation for that. So that we will see it in the next class, because we'll have again all these things to be continued. Okay, guys, this we will continue because we have read only the first file now. I will see the multiple files and I will also show this we have seen already. And to show things, reading of multiple files and how to define the schemas for multiple files also. We will see it in the next class. Okay, guys. So I'm just stopping the class here today. We will continue Monday again. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay,
I'm stopping the class.
Tomorrow
No class, ma.
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.